Hey there, beach lovers and party animals. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Temptation Cancun Resort, a playground for grown-ups that's been making waves in Mexico's hotel scene. So grab your sunscreen and let's explore this adults-only paradise that promises to tickle your senses and ignite your social spirit. Let's kick things off with the accommodations, shall we? Temptation Cancun Resort offers a range of room options that cater to different tastes and budgets. Starting with the playroom, you'll find yourself in a modern, vibrant space of about 40 square meters. These rooms come with either a king or queen bed, air conditioning to keep you cool in that Cancun heat, and Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Though we recommend disconnecting and enjoying the party. The balcony offers garden or pool views, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or evening cocktail. Moving up the luxury ladder, we have the tea suite. These bad boys are larger at around 50 square meters and come with a little extra oomph. Picture yourself soaking in a jacuzzi tub right in your room. Talk about setting the mood. The tea suites also boast an enhanced sound system, so you can keep the party going even in your private space. For those looking to splurge, the fantasy suite is where it's at. While the exact size isn't specified, maybe it's too fabulous to measure, these oceanfront suites can accommodate up to 3 guests. They come with a private terrace, mood lighting, and a minibar stocked with premium goodies. Across all room types, you'll find amenities like flat-screen TVs, safes for your valuables, coffee makers for your caffeine fix, and bathrobes and slippers for that extra touch of comfort. The decor throughout is bold and contemporary, with splashes of red and black that scream sexy and fun. It's clear that Temptation Cancun isn't your grandma's resort, unless your grandma is incredibly hip and loves a good party. Now let's talk about what really matters on vacation, food and drinks. Temptation Cancun Resort doesn't disappoint when it comes to satisfying your taste buds and quenching your thirst. The Barefoot Grill is your go-to spot for casual beachfront dining. Picture yourself digging into fresh seafood tacos or a juicy grilled steak with your toes in the sand. It's open for lunch and dinner, and the dress code is as relaxed as the vibe. Beachwear is totally acceptable here. For those who love variety, Taste is the resort's gourmet, buffet-style restaurant. It's a culinary journey around the world, with international options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They even cater to vegetarians, so no one's left out of the feast. The dress code here is a bit smarter, so maybe leave the sandy flip-flops in your room. When the sun goes down and you're ready to turn up the heat, head to the Red Lounge Bar. This nighttime hotspot is all about mixology magic, serving up signature cocktails inspired by sensual themes. It's the perfect place to start or end your evening adventures. And let's not forget the swim-up pool bars, where you can sip on tropical concoctions without even leaving the water. DJ sets keep the energy high throughout the day, so you can dance from sunup to sundown if that's your jam. The resort also hosts regular themed party nights, featuring live DJs and performances that align perfectly with the adult playground concept. From what we've seen, the restaurants and bars are decked out in stylish red and black decor, matching the hotel's overall branding. Cocktails are served in elegant glassware and garnished creatively, perfect for those Instagram shots you'll definitely be taking and maybe regretting in the morning. Speaking of swimming, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Temptation Cancun Resort. The main attraction is the infinity-style outdoor pool, which seems to stretch endlessly towards the horizon. There are adults-only sections for those who want to escape any potential party crashers, though remember, the whole resort is adults-only, so it's more about finding your preferred vibe. One of the pools features a swim-up bar, so you can literally swim up to your next margarita. Now that's what we call convenience. While the exact size and depth aren't specified, guests report that the pools are large enough for leisurely swimming and aquatic socializing. Poolside services are on point, with towel service and attentive staff ready to bring you drinks and snacks from morning till evening. The pools are typically open from around 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., giving you plenty of time to soak up the sun and the scene. Now let's talk about that beach. Temptation Cancun boasts a stretch of white sandy beach that's typical of Cancun's stunning coastline. It's directly accessible from the hotel grounds and stretches for several hundred meters along the Caribbean Sea. The water is that postcard-perfect turquoise that Cancun is famous for. Beach service includes loungers, umbrellas, and towels, so you don't have to lug your own gear. And yes, they'll bring food and drinks right to your sandy sanctuary if you ask nicely. For the more adventurous types, there are water sports available through nearby vendors. You can try your hand at jet skiing, snorkeling, or kayaking. Just remember to save some energy for the nightly parties. Now, if you're thinking, but what about activities that don't involve drinking or lounging? Fear not. Temptation Cancun Resort has got you covered. The resort boasts a well-equipped fitness center for those who want to keep up with their workout routines or work off last night's indulgences. You'll find cardio machines like treadmills and bikes, as well as free weights for strength training. They occasionally offer group classes like yoga, though you'll need to check the schedule when you arrive for the most up-to-date info. The gym is usually open from early morning until evening, so you can squeeze in a workout whenever suits you best. For those looking to pamper themselves, the spa at Temptation Cancun is a must-visit. While the details are a bit sparse online, we know they offer a range of treatments including massages, both Swedish and deep tissue for those stubborn knots, facials to keep you glowing, and body wraps for total relaxation. In keeping with the resort's theme, there are signature treatments that focus on sensual wellness experiences, perfect for couples looking to spice things up. The spa facilities reportedly include sauna and steam rooms, as well as relaxation lounges where you can zen out before or after your treatment. It's open from morning till early evening, and booking in advance is recommended, especially during peak seasons. Beyond the spa and gym, the resort occasionally offers other activities and entertainment options. While there's no kids club, remember, this is an adults-only paradise. You'll find plenty to keep you occupied. From themed parties to live performances, there's always something going on. The resort's entertainment team works hard to keep the energy high, with DJ sets, dancers, and musicians all adding to the festive atmosphere. And let's not forget the beach. It's not just for sunbathing. You can join in beach volleyball games, take a romantic walk along the shore, or simply watch the sunset with a cocktail in hand. One of the great things about Temptation Cancun Resort is its location. While you might be tempted, pun intended, to never leave the resort, there's plenty to explore nearby if you're feeling adventurous. Just a short boat ride away is Isla Mujeres, a beautiful island known for its snorkeling and diving spots. It's about 13 kilometers from the resort and makes for a perfect day trip. If you're into history, the El Rey ruins are practically on your doorstep, just 5 kilometers away. These small Mayan ruins offer a glimpse into the area's ancient past and make for a nice cultural excursion. For those who can't resist a bit of retail therapy, La Isla Shopping Village is about 7 kilometers away. This open-air mall features a mix of shops, restaurants, and even an aquarium. Perfect for a change of scenery. Speaking of aquariums, the interactive aquarium Cancun is even closer, just 6 kilometers from the resort. It's a great place to learn about marine life and even interact with some friendly sea creatures. And if you're curious about the local scene, downtown Cancun and Plaza Las Americas are about 15 kilometers away, offering a taste of local shopping and dining options. The hotel's concierge desk can help arrange tours and excursions to these attractions and more, depending on the season and availability. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.